Good day everyone, most welcome to another video. I hope you guys are having the best day ever. Today's gonna be, if you call it a look then you can, but it's gonna be spots, alright, and I'm gonna do this series until my big announcement, guys. So leave a like for this new series. Probably be coming in the next 2 weeks. I've got some good maps I can do, but here's the first spot. Now it's near the B bomb on Search and Destroy, so that's a good spot there. You know, they walk through all the time, but it's also it's near the B flag and near Momentum, so a lot of people go there. Comes to the next spot, you guys might know this one. It's like you can capture the flag kind of behind this wall, so it's a really good spot. So yeah, leave a like for this video, guys. But yeah, 2 weeks, big surprise, guys. If you saw the video, you know I'm really excited for it. So my quality is gonna get a lot better. But I really like your open. But if you have Exo Cloak or you like your Cobra, this spot can be really good. You can see practically the whole map. Yeah, you can see the C flag, you can see up there. You can see even the A flag if you wanted. The B bomb is right next to it. It's a really good spot. And a lot of people prone here. And I see that a lot. But I don't know, like you could go here if you want. It's a bit more like unknown, so people won't be really looking there. But the only problem I found with this spot was that you're prone. Your prone gets blocked a lot. So if someone comes from behind you, you can't really turn on them. So that's a risky spot. But this is second last. So if we find it's near the C flag, so I wanted to get one for each flag. So it's a pretty good spot. Like it's a bit blocked, but if you just like see someone, they won't see you, so you can just pop up and kill them. You know, I find this spot it's really good, and you can be up in their spawn. You know, and the last spot. Now I was trying to find one for the A flag. And there's just not that many spots. It's pretty open near the A flag. Not a lot of building limits you can go inside too. And I found this truck. Now this truck could be really good for spawning score streaks in round 2. But that's really it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you'd like to see it again. But hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Yeah.